Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Carlos, and welcome back to the Death Park 2. So yesterday we might have been doing some the city game. So we're still continuing this game. So another game. Okay, we're still here again. So yesterday my recording was a bit okay. This, like that. There you go. So yesterday I was quite glitchy because I was recording my X recorder. Oh, the police! What's that? Yeah. So yesterday I know you can listen to me because it's because of the loud music and the loud sound. So that's why. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and leave a like, okay? They have a bat, Mr. Bat. Oh, they have a map. You always can check the map in the pause menu. Like, oh, okay, I get it. So, and they have a bat. Oh, swipe up or down to change weapon. Oh, looks like it's a word to try to seek help in the hospital. Oh, really? You can get a shotgun? Oh, man. But, wait, do you said... Whoa, what do you say? Head to the hospital. So, where's the map exactly? Okay, so, where's the... Oh, it's right here. So, city hospital. I have to go right here all the way there. Oh, this is gonna be far. I hope I can make it there. Oh, okay. Let me save this so in case we can play. I need to get there. Hang on, guys. What in the world is that? Wait. Oh, what in the? Wait, switch. Oh, I'm gonna... Ow. There you go. Okay. Sorry about that. Let's keep moving. Get out. Oh. Get out of me. Okay, let's go. This ad again. No wonder why this ad is important. I need to know why exactly. Okay. How much is there? We're getting close. Okay, hang on, guys. Dude, how many are you guys? Yeah, I'm gonna kill. Ow. Take that. There you go. Oh, we made it. Oh, finally. That took forever. Oh! Is it a machine gun now? Oh boy. What can I accept everyone due to extraordinary circumstances? Experimental. HZ3 drug has run out. Please do not interfere with the work of the staff. Yeah, well, I don't. Now we're going to the hospital. Yikes. What in the world? Hi! What in the world is that? End of the world. Oh my. Dude, oh my god, dude. Oh, this is gonna be long. I must find a key because it says inspect the hospital reception. The other door said it's locked, so that means I need to find some nice squared key so I can open. Okay, let's go. Where's the key? Oh, it's right here. Ooh, shotgun ammo, medkit, and some. I need to heal. 83. Now let's go. Okay then, open up and let's go. At least... Oh boy. At least I opened the door already. It's just right over there, okay? I totally need to search one of these silly old ammos and some medkits. It's kind of important so in case you can take yourself with you, or medkits might be important so in case you can heal yourself. I think so. Let's go over here. Locked. Oh, another monster. Come on. Come on, why can't you die? Thank you. Okay. Locked again. How many of them? How many are there? They're so locked. Oh, red balloon, of course. Yeah, I'm sorry that you can't hear the music. It's just because I need you to listen to me so in case I can speak. Okay. So... Okay. What's this now? Oh. Wait, what?
You can't run away from me.
Are you kidding me? Wait, please don't. Ah, he's following me! Oh, dude. Open up! Dude, which door am I going? That guy is still following me. Look at this. Dude, which one am I choosing? What do I circle? What is this? July, June, September? What was September? That's not right, isn't it? Okay, come on. May? April? Has to be April. No? Has to be August. Why is this a 3? Oh, come on. Venus. And, Venus again? Or what? What's that? 7? I don't get this. How am I gonna do this? How in the laboratory? Dude, I don't know which one of these are, dude. That's just... Oh, wait, what? One lay. X is -1. Wait, what? Oh, come on! X is not near. Yes! I made it correct! Oh, dude, wait, he's still following me? Mr. Clown. Oh, he's still following me! Dude, come on! Come on! Let's go! Oh my god. There's not... These annoying ads are really embarrassing me. I don't get away. Come on, hurry up! Thank you. Okay, this is wrong. This is what... Find a way to examine. Ooh, a safe code. I think I need to pause here because it's been too long. Holy moly. Looks like he carried the key to the safe with him. Maybe it was taken to the cemetery with it. Okay. What about this? Oh, key. We can no longer accept that the keys are commentary is encrypted. We have to close the main entrance. If you need to, contact me. The envelope contains the key to the spare entrance. Hope you're okay. Your friend, Stephen Dorsey. Graveyard? Okay. Yeah, I think I need to pause you for today. Yeah. I hope you can hear me okay. So... Oh, another trophy. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you liked it. Hope you subscribe to me, okay? See you guys next time. Bye.